Then call my dad. He'll keep you cool.
Hi, I'm Bill McIntosh, owner of Cool Air Technologies. We're a heating and air conditioning company servicing all of Orange County, California since 1996. We do service, repair, and installation, and I want to thank you for visiting our website. We've got some educational videos on there that might save you some money and diagnosing some of your problems. As a homeowner myself, we guarantee that we will treat your house the way that we would treat our own. And if there's not anything, if you don't see anything on that website for your particular problem, please give us a call. See you soon.